Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Makesi 0. I'm joined by Mr. Bekele Beke. It's Pauchu.
Was it by
I am not.
I'm not in Chaka.
Sure.
First things first.
Bake.
I think, my brother, this was a disrespect to Orlando Pirates Braga.
Disrespect?
Yeah.
Wow.
This game was supposed to be postponed.
Yes.
Orlando Pirates is still celebrating.
Yes.
So Bafana, the national team has won.
Yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. So this game was supposed to be postponed.
Yes, my friend.
According to the dictionary of football. Mabane is busy readdress the nation.
Serious thing.
So I think this is a big disrespect to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
But asiko lapho, I think bangizwile bazayilungisa.
That's what about PSL.
Yeah, because of the national team has won.
Are respected.
They must respect us.
God of honor, my friend.
Yeah, bon. So yeah.
Okay, sure.
You know, it's a pirate top 8.
Yes.
It's no longer called MTN top 8. I'm sure.
Pirates 8.
Yeah, Pirates 8.
Yeah.
So coming back to the game,
sure, Paul.
I think as I was saying to you, my brother, I'm a team lawa manye lawa makadlala Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Mina bayangibhora. I don't know why basabi Mamelodi Sundowns. We didn't expect them to win against Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
As we know, good Mamelodi Sundowns is stronger when coming to playing Lana team now.
Yes.
They should have came to the game. I take Mamelodi Sundowns. At least never sponsor the game.
At least challenge.
Kabanga namanja sikakalali.
Yes.
Suka from Mbombele Zolo. Sasuka safala sazalana safika sobukeli game. Masifika lana sitholi Sundowns idlala yi1.
Yes.
Orowini Williams phela bakase holiday.
Yeah.
Orowini was on holiday.
No shots nya.
No shot, nothing. Beka relaxile. Ngisho nangasuka lana hamba ye-toilet abuya yochama. Bolo lingakafiki nokufika lapha. Kuba next edlaliwe. So wonke lama team lawa amancane ayi15 besides Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
All 15 small teams.
Yeah,
I'm sure it's Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
It's Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
And then each and every team at Mamelodi Sundowns, all these small teams.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Please, guys, when you play with Mamelodi Sundowns, can you please peel up your socks, my brother? They don't challenge Mamelodi Sundowns. And then congrats to them.
Yeah, but they're calling a red card. That was in a red card. Yeah, my kids. But when out here.
Mina ngibona kahle engabi yami because I was mina kahle I think ngifike second half I don't know ukuthi i-red card yenzeke
red card
mina ngifike bathini
later
yeah nge-half time bekukhani ngingena ngathenga itikiti vela yazi amatikiti ahlala khona
yeah always available
always available
never sold out
no ngingenile ngalithenga mangicela half time ngena online ngathi ngangena lapha ngafika ngathenga itikiti ngangena so ngifike nge-half time
they're always there
they're always there Mamelodi tickets Mamelodi Sundowns tickets always there why bekele bethu uyangithola so lama team lawo wonke lawa amancane lawa jo ama team wonke amancane
yes
all the small teams when you're playing with Mamelodi Sundowns please guys pull up your socks my brother sifuna ukubona i-football my brother uyangithola we want to be entertained.
Count on the Chiefs today.
All the small teams besides Orlando Pirates, brother. I don't know what you want me to say. Young John. I'm just Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
If Minang Zalanai, then it's me and them. It's a challenge.
Can I correct him?
Young John.
You are not correct.
Yeah, I want to correct. He said all other 15 teams.
All small teams.
He said all other 15 small teams.
Yeah.
So, which those 15 teams include who?
Kaizer Chiefs.
No.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay. So all those small teams ngicela ukuthi baphula ama-service wabo ukuthi sifukele ibhola khona manje abana baku number 1 Mamelodi Sundowns so it's going to be a challenge for ukuthi manje sibalande siba challenge lapha for team because yazi nabahleli
yeah true
bona we have to give them credit you know they know how to run this marathon
master
so it's very hard for ukuthi ungabathola abahleli phezulu babuye bayiphansi uyangithola so I would just encourage ukuthi onke ama team because if maybe it was possible I would like to speak to the management of PSL Betway ukuthi ngicela wonke lama game wonke lawo walama team lawo badlale nami labantu lawo
Sundowns.
sibone ukuthi kahle kahle inkunzi ubani
Yeah, nikhipha ninkani.
bona onke lama match lawo esanda sedol nawo whether bayodlala nani bayodlala nani onke ama game lawana bawaphi Orlando
Because
Pirates
abantu bachayeleng.
because abantu ba challenge the only person who knows how to beat these people is us
Yeah, is this boy?
yangithola.
Is this boy?
So congrats to Mamelodi Sundowns
Yeah.
for winning an obvious game.
Here for them.
It's an obvious one. Even yourself, even yourself. Ngabe bamfakile Hortman.
Yeah.
Bayoyodlala bayowina.
Yeah.
Even yourself.
Yeah.
Hortman from Marshall Combine. Uyayibona Marshall Combine. Come over here.
No, I know.
Uyayibona? Bekayodlala. Nabo Long, nabo Josie. Yangithola.
Yeah.
Now even.
Yeah,
So congrats to Mamelodi Sundowns. The race is still on.
Yeah.
Sasekona, you know.
Yeah.
The only contenders for this thing, hit
Pirates.
now.
Pirates.
So whatever they do, bayazi ukuthi semuva kwawo.
Yeah.
So we are the cup specialist. We have made history.
Yes.
Omunye nomunye umuntu uzenzele history yakhe.
Yeah.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
Nabo bane history yabo ye-league bayenza into zabo.
Yeah.
7 in a row.
Yeah.
You cannot take anything. It's 8.
Oh, eight.
Not for M10.
It's not for
M10.
It's not, yeah.
And by the way, the Pirates
Don't
is a
say-
small team.
don't say yeah.
From 19 Mamang,
37.
let Letomo dominate M10-8. No, got 125. Born 1937.
Yeah.
Pirates is a small team.
Why
Just
do you
that
say so?
Libon, just how this is it. Rino draw Libon as Barsha played penalty.
That's why.
Bazimo Libon, Rico Libon, get Tupa. Why?
Okay, and then really got the penalty, and then we rating Mutata go finally game, ma'am.
Yeah.
You win. But
Then they get
we call it 90 minutes.
I can play like 90 minutes. And then again, I would like to thank the prophet.
Who?
Prophet Long.
Yeah.
The prophet Long.
Long Dilanga.
Long Dilanga.
Hashtag is strong.
Hashtag is strong.
Yeah.
That guy is a prophet.
Who's it?
He's stronger than Prophet Bushir, that one.
Yeah.
I remember when we were here, but Lala name Richards Bain.
Yes.
Long predicted what Orlando Pirates has taken at the MTNA.
Oh, he did.
Long. He's the one that made us to win this thing. Yeah, ithing abolela re da so are Orlando Pirates. Long kwa rena jo.
It will win MTNA.
Yeah. Long bullets.
I can't see.
So congratulations to Prophet Long.
Yeah.
Dinomoro tsa di teng.
Yeah.
Ba monyaka batla mokra ko wena.
Yeah.
A khono fa batho taba tsa bona.
E jwang?
Wa bona da man.
Yeah. What about when it's a
O
sea?
boletse nnete da man.
Abule ke reke man.
Abule ke reke da man. One salwa.
Man of the match.
So man of the match is Mamelodi Sundowns for winning.
Yeah.
And then Chipezeze. Chipezeze mana marupuli. Jo di goal tsa teng di no tsena me bra.
Chipezeze mana.
Chipezeze ba mo rekile Chipezeze.
Asa tswa.
Man of the match to Sundowns. Chipezeze wena sani. Ai.
Swag man.
Swag wena sani.
Swag man.